Emergent AI is a powerful AI tool that helps you build websites and app instantly, basically vibe coding, without needing to know how to code. Think of it as your personal AI developer that takes your ideas and turns them into working digital products in minutes. All you have to do is describe what you want. For example, build me a website for my photography portfolio, or create a booking app for my fitness studio, and press send. And Emergent AI automatically generates the full structure, design, and backend functionality for you. It uses advanced AI models to handle everything from UI design to responsive layouts, and even integrates tools like payment systems, databases, or user authentication depending on your needs. You can then customize or export your project, test it live, and launch it directly online. In short, Emergent AI removes the biggest barriers between your idea and the finished project. Whether you're a startup founder, freelancer, or small business owner, it gives you the power to build professional websites and apps faster than ever before, all powered by AI. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.